In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs on this GMC Sierra. These are going to be located on the sides of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this tube. Just push down on this lock. Slide this back out of the way. There's another one on the other side. Disconnect this one. This one I'm going to push up. Slide that to the side. We're going to loosen up the worm clamp right here using an 8mm socket. Loosen that up. Using a 8mm socket, loosen up this worm clamp. You can slide this pipe off. And just grab the box and pull it back. You can see all the spark plug wires on the side of the engine. You're going to see the same four on the opposite side. We're going to do this one so you can see it the best. And I'm just going to use some hose pliers. If you have some spark plug wires or pliers, you can use those. And just grab the plug wire and just give it a little twist. And pull that off, set that aside. You can see the plug. Just take a little compressed air and around the spark plug just to get rid of any dust or debris. That's good. Now we're going to take a 5/8 spark plug socket. Loosen that up to get it started. Do it by hand normally. And pull that out. Take the new plug, put that in the spark plug socket. Line this up. And get this started by hand. And we'll tighten this down. We're going to tighten that, we're going to torque that to 11 foot-pounds. That's good. Pull that off. Take the wire, get that lined up, and push it on. Push it all the way down. That's good. And then you can do the same procedure for the rest of them on this side and also the other side. I'll take this air box, push this in place, and get this snorkel tube on. And we'll tighten down the clamp and tighten this down. Snug it up and tighten this down. That's good. Now take the hose, get that tube lined up, lock it down, and same on the other side, this lined up. And lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.